Hello everyone, I am Roshni Jain from R.C. Patel Polytechnic, Shirpur. Today we are going to learn the concept of straight line. So what is straight line? A straight line is the set of all points joining any two or more points are called as a straight line. Also, it does not change any direction. The general equation of straight line is of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers, and this is a straight line. Next, inclination of a line. So what is inclination? Inclination, it means the angle, the smallest non-negative angle theta made by a line L with a positive direction. Observe this diagram. With a positive direction of x-axis is called the inclination of the line. So this is a inclination and this is a line. In this diagram, this is also positive inclination, this is a negative inclination. Now it is obvious from above definition that the inclination of x-axis is 0, inclination of y-axis is theta is equals to 90 degree, and for parallel lines their inclinations are same. Next, slope. Slope is also called as a gradient of a line. The slope or a gradient of a line is defined as the tangent ratio of its inclination, provided that the line is not parallel to y-axis. It is denoted by m. Slope is denoted by m, and this is a tangent ratio. Tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. So observe this diagram. This is a point, a of x1 y1. This is a b point, b of x2 y2. Now this is a theta inclination, this is a theta, and in this triangle this side is opposite side and this side is adjacent side. So now to find the difference between the 2 points, so this distance, that's why in this diagram y2 minus y1, this is a coordinate of this point, y2 minus y1, and this is a x2 minus x1, this is also difference. That's why it can be written as slope is equals to vertical change. It means this change, also called as a rise. This is a rise, and upon horizontal change, this is a x2 minus x1, that is equals to rise upon run. It means m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and that is m is equals to tan theta. So next example, find the slope of line whose inclination is, first one is a 45 degree, second is a 60 degree, and third is a 120 degree. Now solve it by one. First, slope of inclination of line is m is equals to tan theta. This is a formula of inclination of a line. So line, now when theta is equals to 45 degree, so inclination is 45 degree, put this value in the formula, m is equals to tan 45 degree, that is equals to 1. So next, when inclination, it means theta is equals to 60 degree, so m is equals to tan of 60 degree, that is equals to root 3. When theta is 120 degree, so m is equals to tan of 120 degree. So 120 degree, it can be written as tan of 90 degree plus 30 degree. By using the transformation formula or allied angle formula, tan of 90 degree plus theta, so tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta, and theta is 30 degree, that's why minus cot of 30 degree, and the slope of line m is equals to minus root 3. Next, find the slope of line passing through the points 2, 4, this is the first point, and second point is 5, 9. Let us see the solution. Slope of line passing through the points x1, y1, this is the first point, and second point is x2, y2, is slope of line, this is a m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, this is a formula. Now given points comparing with x1, y1 is equals to 2, 4, and x2 y2 is equals to 5 9. Put this value in this formula. Slope of line m is equals to y2 it means 9, so 9 minus y1 it means 4, 9 minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 5 minus x1 is 2, 5 minus 2 that is equals to 9 minus 4 is a 5 divided by 3. So slope of the line m is equals to 5 by 3. Next example is that find the slope of line passing through the points. This is the first point 1 1. Second point is 4 minus 8. Let us see the solution. Slope of the line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So given points comparing with x1 y1 is equals to 1 1. So this value is x1 and y1, and x2 y2 is equals to 4 minus 8. Put this value in the above formula. So slope of line m is equals to y2 it means minus 8 minus y1 means 1. So minus 8 minus 1 is equals to minus 9 divided by x2 minus x1 means 4 minus x1 means 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So minus 9 by 3 is minus 3. So slope of line m is equals to minus 3. Now in the next video lecture we study the general line of slope and intercepts of line. Okay, thank you.